how to change the order of your photos on Facebook. So go onto Facebook and you click on to add photos. I'm just going to make it myself first. So choose the photos that you want. So I'm going to do these ones. So when you press them, it has numbers. They're the numbers. They're the order that it goes in. So you can do it in that way. Or you can do it in a different way. So let's have these 5. And the order I want is I want this blue one at the top, number 5, to be number 1. But let me show you how I would change it after I've posted it the wrong order. Okay, so now it's posted. This is the order it's in. I don't like it. I want this one to be first. So you click on the 3 buttons, the 3 dots, and you press edit post. You see these pictures? The way this works is that you're going to have to delete and repress it again, just the way we did it. So I don't want this, 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 this. And then you go back onto your gallery and you choose a number you would want it in. So this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Done. And then press done and it resaves it like this and you press save. Now it's reloading again. So now you wait. Here's the order. But now that I'm looking at it, I kind of don't like the 3rd picture and the 5th picture. I want to switch those around. So now I want to click on this 3 dots again and press edit post. Do it the same way. So I don't like this picture, so I don't have to remove all photos. I can just remove the ones after it. So we scroll through, find the pictures again. So I said this one, and this one. So switching them around. And then you press done. And now you can see this is the order that I wanted. Press done and save. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!